The Bosch Professional GWM40 measuring wheel is a durable and accurate tool designed for professionals. Its large display shows measurements in centimeters and inches. With a long measuring tape, it can measure distances up to 40 meters. The water-resistant feature allows for use in wet conditions. The shock-absorbing housing and ergonomic grip enhance usability. While it may be slightly heavy and less portable than other options, its high quality and ease of use make it a reliable choice for professionals. The Bosch GDE MAX Professional is a versatile dust guard designed for virtually dust-free chiseling of concrete. It is compatible with all Bosch SDS Max hammers and offers quick adaptation for different working positions. The unit allows for easy chisel changes without dismounting and is designed for use with the Bosch Click and Clean system. With reduced dust exposure, cleaner work areas, and extended tool life, the Bosch GDE MAX Professional is an excellent choice for professional users seeking a reliable dust guard. Keep your work areas clean and safe with this effective and adaptable dust guard. Bosch's electronic angle detection (EAD) feature revolutionizes screw driving and drilling by enabling precise angle settings. Using a sensor, the EAD detects the desired angle and illuminates a green LED light. This innovation is exclusive to Bosch, setting them apart in the power tool market. Available on select Bosch Biturbo models and the Bosch Toolbox app, the EAD enhances accuracy, productivity, and safety. Experience improved accuracy, increased productivity, and enhanced safety with the Bosch EAD feature. The Bosch GSG300 Professional Foam Rubber Cutter is a versatile reciprocating saw designed for cutting foam rubber and similar materials. It offers low vibration and low noise running, ensuring precise and comfortable operation. The saw blade guide guarantees accurate cuts, while the included saw blade guide and 3 saw blades provide convenience. With its 240-volt operation, the Bosch GSG300 Professional is a durable tool suitable for professional use. The Bosch Deci LED Professional Cordless Torch is a versatile work light that provides powerful illumination. With its cordless design, it offers portability for various applications. The 10 LEDs deliver a maximum brightness of 330 lumens, ensuring excellent coverage. It offers 2 brightness settings to adjust the light output. The torch is also equipped with a magnet and hook for easy attachment. Its IP54 rating guarantees dust-proof and water-resistant performance. The Bosch 18-volt compact Jobsite radio is a portable radio powered by Bosch's 18V lithium-ion batteries. It features 2 high-performance speakers for exceptional sound quality. With Bluetooth and aux connectivity, you can enjoy music from your mobile device or MP3 player. It offers digital radio tuning with presets and an onboard USB port for device charging. Built tough for the job site, it is dust and moisture resistant. The Bosch 18V compact Jobsite radio is the perfect companion for professionals on the go. Bosch Fresh Up is a portable device that uses plasma technology to refresh clothes and eliminate odors. It is safe for all fabrics and can be used anywhere, even on clothes you're wearing. With just 30 seconds per garment, it effectively removes sweat, smoke, and pet odors. The device is easy to use, requiring a simple press against the fabric. Its battery provides up to 60 minutes of use, making it convenient for on-the-go freshness. The Bosch Holster Set wireless charging holster car charger is a convenient solution for charging devices while driving. It features a flexible mounting system that allows it to be attached to various surfaces in the vehicle. Simply slide the JL1830W DC car charger into the holster and adjust the height based on the battery size. The 2-meter cable enables easy connection to the cigarette lighter. With this charger, you can conveniently charge cordless tools while driving or during breaks. Stay powered up on the go with the Bosch Holster Set wireless charging holster car charger. The Bosch Expect Scanner is a handheld device that uses near-infrared and color sensors to collect data about fabrics, stains, and the nutritional content of food. The data is then sent to the cloud for analysis, and the results are displayed on the scanner's touchscreen display. The Expect Scanner has a number of potential applications, such as helping people choose the right detergent or identify the type of stain on a piece of clothing. Bosch has not yet announced any plans to bring the Expect scanner to market, but the concept has been well received by the tech press. The Expect scanner is a promising new technology that has the potential to make our lives easier and more efficient. The Bosch Easy Cut and Grind is a versatile cordless multi-tool designed for cutting and sanding. It features a compact and lightweight design for easy maneuverability. With a variety of attachments, it can tackle various applications. The two-step activation ensures safety by preventing accidental startups. Additionally, the tool includes an LED work light for enhanced visibility in dark areas. Whether you're a DIYer or professional, the Bosch Easy Cut and Grind is an affordable and reliable choice for home improvement projects. The Bosch Paint Spray System PFS 7000 is a powerful and versatile paint sprayer designed for professional quality results. With a 1,400-watt motor, it can handle demanding painting applications. The variable spray control allows for adjustable spray patterns and output. Its integrated air filter prevents clogging, ensuring consistent results. The paint sprayer is easy to clean and compatible with various paints. Built with durable materials, it can withstand frequent use. Whether you're a DIYer or a professional, the Bosch Paint Spray System PFS 7000 delivers high performance and ease of use for your painting projects. The Bosch Pai Projector is a concept product that transforms any work surface into a touchscreen interface. Using projection and sensors, it creates a virtual interface for interacting with digital content. It has the potential to revolutionize technology interaction in various settings. By projecting a virtual interface onto surfaces, users can interact using hand movements tracked by sensors. While still in the concept stage, Bosch is committed to its development. The Pai Projector represents an innovative approach to technology interaction. The Bosch Glue is a versatile cordless hot glue pen designed for various gluing applications. Its compact and lightweight design allows for easy maneuvering in tight spaces. With variable heat control and an ergonomic grip, it provides customizable and comfortable usage. The clear glue cartridge window and LED light enhance visibility and convenience, ideal for DIYers and professionals. The Bosch Glue is an affordable and reliable tool for crafting and repair projects. The Bosch USeries sander is a versatile cordless random orbital sander, powered by a 12-volt lithium-ion battery. Its dust extraction system keeps your work area clean, while the variable speed control allows for customization. With a soft grip and lightweight design, it ensures comfortable and easy maneuverability. Compatible with various sanding sheets, it serves a wide range of sanding applications. Whether you're a DIYer or a professional, the Bosch USeries sander is an affordable and reliable choice. The Bosch accent line is carbon black. Glass draft ventilation is a stylish and efficient downdraft system for kitchen worktops. With a glass panel and customizable LED light, it offers a sleek design. The 150-watt motor ensures powerful extraction, while high-quality materials guarantee durability and easy cleaning. Available in various sizes, it can be tailored to fit your kitchen perfectly. Enjoy a clear and smoke-free cooking environment with the Bosch accent line carbon black glass draft ventilation. The Bosch Zamo extendable laser measure is a winner of the prestigious IF Design Award 2022 in the product category. This recognition highlights its outstanding design and innovation. The Zamo laser measure features an innovative design with an extendable blade for measuring long distances and a clear display for easy reading. It is built with high-quality materials, ensuring durability and precision. With its user-friendly one-button operation and versatile functionality for measuring distances, areas, and volumes, the Bosch Zamo laser measure stands out as a top choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.